How to share a song on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily share a message, how you can easily share a music or song on your Messenger application. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your Messenger application just like this, and as you can see on the right above my profile icon over here, there is an option called share a song. So you can simply tap on this. So it's similar to the Instagram notes or music. So you can basically enter a caption just like this over here, and also add a music over here as well. So to add a music, you can simply tap on this music icon and just select any of the music which you want. So let's say I want this music from over here, so simply click on this tone. You can also adjust a particular part of the music, and once you are satisfied, you can simply tap on the share button, and just like that you have successfully shared the music on your Messenger application, and it will be valid for 24 hours. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.